The highly anticipated Xiaomi Mi 90 is coming to Malaysia next week, so could this be the ultimate flagship killer? Tune in to find out more. The Xiaomi Mi 90, which is the global version of the Redmi K20, is coming to Malaysia really soon. Xiaomi Malaysia has revealed that the local launch event will be held on the 20th of June 2019. Pricing and availability details will be revealed by then, so stay tuned! If you're looking for an affordable smartphone with versatile cameras, the Wiko View 3 might be the device for you. This device is officially priced at 599 ringgit. But on the 11th to 13th of June, Lazada is offering this device for 489 ringgit. The Wiko View 3 features a 6.26-inch display, a MediaTek Helio P22 processor that's mated to 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. This device features a triple camera setup as well as a rather large 4000 mAh battery that is rated to last up to 2 days. But if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, Wiko has also introduced the Wiko View 3 Lite. This device features a smaller 6.09-inch display, a Uni SoC processor with 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. But unlike the View 3 Lite only gets a dual camera setup, but it still gets a 4000 mAh battery. This device is officially priced at 449 ringgit, but as an introductory offer, Lazada is offering this device at 369 ringgit from the 14th to 16th of June on their official store. There's a new eWallet coming to town. UMobile is launching their very own eWallet and they will be showcasing its services at the Malaysia Tech Week on 18th of June 2019. The telco's eWallet is called GoPayz and the merchant solution will be known as GoBiz. GoPayz will be a standalone eWallet which is similar to Boost as well as Vcash. If the battery on your current Huawei smartphone is not as great as before, you'll be happy to know that Huawei Malaysia is now introducing a new 99 ringgit battery replacement campaign in Malaysia. They are covering a variety of old models including the Huawei P9 series, the Huawei Mate 8 series, as well as the first generation Nova models. If you're interested, you can head over to any Huawei authorized service center to change your battery. That's it from me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit that notification bell icon so that you'll be informed whenever we post a new video. So do check out our latest video here, and also last episode of ICYMI here. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Bye!